Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions, what's the price change goes, what's the high price, and what is the current status of Zilliqa coin and a cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency market. So friends, as you can see now on the screen friends, that is the live price predictions of the Zilliqa coin of the last one day. If you look the last one day price prediction, so the last one day price change as negative 2.4%, and the high price of the Zilliqa coin in the last one day as the dollar 0.206485 dollar is the high price of the Zilliqa coin and the last one day friends. Absolutely, as you can see here, the change is negative, but don't worry about this change. If we look the currently condition of the Zilliqa coin, so currently they start jumping upward, so maybe the change become positive very soon. And if we look the previous period of the Zilliqa coin, so as you can see here, the previous period is continuously falls after the Zilliqa coin occurs. Now friends, now let's see the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the price change goes in the last 4 hour friends. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, the change occur in the previous last 4 hour is negative 0.01%, and same like that the high price of the Zilliqa coin is dollar 0.200478 dollar is the high price of the Zilliqa coin in the previous last 4 hour period. If you look the price prediction chart, as I told you in the start of this video, that the continuously falls occur in the Zilliqa coin in the last 4 hour, and now at this time they are moving upward, so we have a hope of a positive. So now let's see the current status and condition of Zilliqa coin in the cryptocurrencies markets. What's the currently change occur in Zilliqa coin? What's the high price of Zilliqa coin at this time? That is a live price prediction of this time you are watching now. The last 1 hour price prediction are in positive because they start moving upward, because they start jumping upward. Positive 0.46% change occur in the Zilliqa coin, and same like that the high price is dollar 0.199682 dollar is the high price of Zilliqa coin in the last 1 hour friends. The graph is clearly tell us that the explosion time are coming as our starts now from this time. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coin, please do your own research. And my suggestion for all of Zilliqa coin holders, that if you want to hold Zilliqa coin, so absolutely it's your best decision. And I'm also my suggestion for all always is that please hold your Zilliqa coin with last of this month. Sell your crypto coin in the last of month, because a lot of people sell it and you also sell it. And if you want to buy a Zilliqa coin, so absolutely, as you know, at this time the explosion of the Zilliqa coin starts now. So absolutely, it's not a bad time to buy a Zilliqa coin. It's the best time to buy. Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Zilliqa coin.